I'm going to walk you through a simple framework to find the perfect phone system for your business. With so many business phone options out there, how do you know which one is right for you? I get anxiety just trying to find a show to watch. Now imagine trying to commit to a phone system that you'll be using every single day. But there's simple steps that you can take to find the right one. First, create a list of phone features that your business actually needs. For most businesses, that includes things like voicemail transcription, so you can review missed calls at a glance, shared numbers, so your team can split responsibility for incoming calls and messages, and call recording to keep a clear communication trail. You might also want a phone menu so customers can route themselves to the right person. Plus, consider any features that could save your team time on repetitive tasks like auto replies or call tagging for better organization and automation. Once you've got your must-haves, you can narrow down to a smaller list of providers that check all the boxes. Be sure to check reviews for each one, and if you spot the same red flags coming up repeatedly, cross them off the list. The best places to check for reviews include G2, Capterra, Trustpilot, Google Reviews, and Reddit communities like Small Business and VoIP. But here's the key. The best phone systems don't force you to talk to sales just to see if it works. You should also look for a free trial. During the trial, pay attention to ease of use, how simple it is to add your team, and whether it works with existing tools and processes. One more tip, VoIP systems are usually half the cost of traditional carriers, with way more features built for teams. VoIP just means voice over internet protocol, and it uses your internet connection to make calls instead of traditional phone lines. This means lower costs, more flexibility, and advanced features like call routing, texting, and CRM integrations, all without the expensive hardware or desk phones that come with traditional providers. With apps like Quo, you get shared numbers, auto replies, tons of integrations with the tools you're already using, and the ability to call and text from any device. Are you ready to find the right phone system for your business? Try Quo for free by following the link in the description.